Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the theme in Google Translate. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser on your PC and go to Google Translate. Then what you need to do is click on this extension icon and click on Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge. After that, you need to search for the extension. So let's go ahead and search for something like Night Eye. You can see this is the top rated one. Just go ahead and click on Get, which is over here, and click Add Extension. After that, this extension will be added to your browser. Go ahead and go to Google Translate once again, and there you go. You can see that the theme has been changed now. If you want to remove the theme, just go ahead and click on this and click Disable. And you can see the theme has been changed. For now, there are only two themes, either white or black, and it may give you further themes in the future. So guys, I hope this video about how you can change your theme on Google Translate was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.